Hey everybody, Sid Hamid with Brickfront Properties and Construction. Hope you guys are doing good. Hey, I'm recording this video today for the event that's coming up on the 17th on Thursday at 7 o'clock. We're going to be live on all social channels. Okay, today is Friday and it's been raining all day like crazy. If you guys been out there, 295, 395 is totally backed up. Anyway, look, the event is called Real Estate Investing in Your Local Backyard. Real estate investing in your local backyard. How to find the deals, how to analyze deals, how to write the contract, get the property locked up, how to get your funding, and then how to determine your exit strategy. Are you going to wholesale it? Are you going to fix it or flip it? Are you going to buy and hold it? What are you going to do with the deal? Okay, do you need a second mortgage? Do you need gap money? So if you want to learn about local real estate investing in your backyard, I've been living in this area for 50 years, over 50 years, but I've been in construction and real estate for 30 years in DC, Maryland, and Virginia, Fairfax, Arlington, PG County. So if you guys want to learn on what I do, what I have been doing for years to find deals in our backyards, I live in Bowie, Maryland. So my thing is, I don't want to go all the way across town for a deal. I want to find a deal right here in my local area so I can get to the deal, get to my money faster, get in, get out, sell the property. So logistically, I want to stay 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes from Bowie, Maryland so I can find the deals in my local backyard. If you're interested in this kind of information, come Thursday, 7 o'clock, okay? And then we're going to talk about all these things that I do on a regular, consistent basis to find deals in our local backyard. Thank you very much, Sid Hamid. I'll see you on Thursday. It's 2025, baby. Let's make some money. Talk to you soon.